Today we are going to be making banana bread. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Now we are going to grease our pan with butter so that our bread doesn't stick. And we can move on to the next step. Now we're going to smash our ripe bananas in this bowl. We're going to mash them till they're smooth. And yeah. Okay, now that we've mashed our bananas, we are going to add our baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now we are going to add our oil, our eggs, our vanilla, and our sugar. Now we're just going to mix it in like this, so it's all mixed well. Now we're going to add our flour slowly. So you just want to add a little bit, and then we're just going to fold it in like this. Now, just keep doing this until all your flour is mixed in. Now we can go on to our next step. Okay, now we're going to put our batter into our pan. And we can go on to the next step. Now we're going to put it in the oven for an hour or 50 minutes. I'll be back to show you the finished product. This is our finished product.